Hey, it's Mike Cambrai from FlipNerd.com, and we have a quick VIP tip to share with you from Marco Santarelli, the founder of Norada Real Estate Investments, who's going to share one of his top 10 rules for successful real estate investing. It's actually rule number 5, which is to be market agnostic.
Yeah, thanks, Mike. I think this is a really important point and one of my rules, and it is to be market agnostic. A lot of investors still believe to this day that they should invest in their backyard, that they have to invest within a 30-mile or 30-minute radius of their home because that's where they could go and drive by the property and look out the window of their car and make sure it's still there. Regardless of where you buy your property, whether it's 3,000 miles away or not, the property's still going to be there. You have property management companies managing it. So nothing's going to happen to your property. It doesn't change anything just being able to invest in a property in your backyard. But the United States is a very large country. It's made up of over 400 metropolitan statistical areas. So every one of those markets is a local real estate market. It has its own economy, its own fundamentals, its own housing market, its own supply and demand drivers. So each market will move up and down independently of one another due to many local factors. And because of that, you should recognize that there are times where it makes sense to invest in your local backyard, your market, and there are times, more often than not, where it makes sense to invest in a different market, another market, because the opportunities are better there. The rent-to-value ratios are better. You can get higher rates of return, higher cash-on-cash returns. Maybe there's more appreciation potential there. So you should only invest in markets that make sense to do so, not because you live there or because you bought property there before. So I guess the bottom line is there's an element of timing with every single market, and you don't want to buck the trend. So expand your mind, look at the different markets, consider what makes sense. We can help you with that if you want. We have lots of free information on our website. So be market agnostic.
Thanks for joining us for another FlipNerd.com expert tip. To access hundreds of tips and full expert interviews, please visit FlipNerd.com or join us in the iTunes store. We'd like to thank our sponsors, RealtyMogul.com and National Real Estate Insurance Group. To access the most robust social platform in existence for real estate investors, where you can find off-market wholesale deals, find great vendors to help you in your business, and learn and socialize with other real estate investors, please visit the all-new FlipNerd.com. If you're not yet a member, you can set up a free account in less than a minute. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky.